How to prevent Windows 10 from automatically adding keyboard layouts, i.e. keyboard. Update. This is a lengthy post, you can jump straight to the answer below. Note, the quick language list refers to the list in the screenshot below, accessible throughout the shortcut when plus spacebar. I have 2 languages for Windows spell check in my system, English, United States, and French, Switzerland, but despite both languages being properly configured with Swiss French input keyboard, US keyboard input keeps appearing on this list. Here's the settings for English, United States, language. You can see the only input is Swiss French. Same for Francais, Suisse, the only input is Swiss French. In the control panel, both are also set as Swiss French. All my settings are set to use language list. Here's a few things that I already tried. I already managed to remove it by some language configuration gymnastics. By adding and removing languages, it always eventually comes back. I have already done this URL. There's no mention of US keyboard in my registry settings either. Please help, I'm desperate. This is my 3rd computer with Windows 10 and they all do the same thing.
To fix this issue, delete the preload registry folder and sign out or restart the computer. This folder seems to be some legacy remnant that contains non-user specified keyboard layouts to be added to the list of languages when the user signs in. While the fix itself works through restarts, at time of writing there's things that bring back that pesky folder. Here's a few that I bumped into personally. Remote desktop to a computer with US layout. Using the same Microsoft account on another PC that still has this issue? Whenever the problem comes back, that registry folder needs to be deleted again. Edit 2, thanks to @Lu55 suggestion, here's a handy one-liner to use on a command prompt with admin privileges. Edit. I have created a remove preload.reg text file with the following content. This way this fix can easily be reapplied every time without navigating the registry. To use this, save it in a text file and change the extension from .text to .reg. Then whenever it comes back, you can just double-click it and restart or sign out.
Actually, the solution is quite simple and requires no registry editing. Go to the region and language, previously named Language Preferences, click on English, United States, and go to Options. If you see S keyboard there, remove it, and you're done. If the remove button is not working, disabled, add another keyboard first, and then try again. However, if you do not see it there, then click on Add a keyboard, add S keyboard, then remove the keyboard and you're done. I figured this out after some trial and error trying out various things. I had the same issue.
I found the answer after an hour as of now for build. This will work even after restarting. It's easy to do, and set for good. It will stop any other languages from being created for new users. It will no longer show these languages in the login screen too. No registry hacks which didn't work for me after restarting. You can also go via, but ensure to check your language settings first, see screenshots below. Control Panel Region Administrative tab Copy Settings. Here's the step in images with notation in the images also for reference. Then your registry should look like so, with only one preload. Copy this, computer /key _ users /default /keyboard layout /preload, to the address bar of the registry editor to jump straight to it to check for yourself.
This is not the permanent fix, but a handy batch file which adds NS keyboard layout and then removes it. You have to first add it to be able to remove it. Remove _ns.xml. Remove _ns.bat. Then you can just run remove _ns.bat to remove the layout. I set it to run this batch file whenever I unlock my machine in my task scheduler, which finally eliminated this issue for me. Here, 0409 is the localid and 0000409 the keyboard layout values. For the list of the locale ID column keyboard layout value, see this URL v equals win.10.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.